Satnam. Look what we've got going on here. So Cemaaj was in here about an hour and a half earlier, and this is the end of the aloe night. So we've had a little bit of an aloe facial, can you tell? So what did we do? Let's go over to let's do it here first. The first thing we did was with the fresh aloe. Let me go over here. I'm just going to go in the fridge. Where's my fresh aloe? And then in the freezer, what we've got going on is here and here. I'll bring them over. Okay, so first of all, we took a piece of fresh aloe. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And then we made circular motions all the way down your neck. Circular motions all around the eyes, all up. Right? That's that. You can rinse that off. So then we rinsed it off. And then we did our aloe sugar scrub. So this was the meat of the aloe and the gel. And then it was really like my forearms like it must have taken about 10 minutes by hand to get like the you get matter and gel, and you want it to be liquefied. So that's what that is. So then we did again circular motions with the sugar scrub, and then we took a warm cloth and we took that off, and again with the neck. After we'd done the sugar scrub, Cemaaj did this as well, because this is all for his sore little nose, but I'm loving it. I'm forgetting how much I used to love aloe. With this one, this is a chamomile orange tea with aloe gel in it. So we just bought, if you saw the last video, a big aloe leaf tonight for about, it was $4, was it so much? Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
And that's in there. So you just take some cotton, obviously we put it in a separate little bowl, take a cotton bud or a cotton pad, and then use it as your toner all over. And then the last piece, which was actually my favorite, I don't know about you, Cemaaj, was the frozen aloe. So we took a piece and we sliced it down the middle, then cut it into pieces. And then again, you just take this, and it's cold and it closes your pores and it puts the gel on, and you can leave that on, and that's your moisturizer. So these are finishing off freezing. Once they're very, very solid, I will put them into a Ziploc bag. So that's those. We've had a lot going on in the kitchen tonight. Now I'm finishing up. Look at this. I mean, even just the smallest amount, and it's not finished whipping yet. Just look at the difference. My hands and my arms. Actually, if you want to take 10 years off of you, you just do this. Make sure you moisturize your hand very, very well, and it will soak in and not be so shiny. But do you see the difference in my hands there? Does one look younger than the other, Cemaaj?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it does in real life. I don't know if it picks it up there. This one will be more red. This one's got more of an even tone.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what it's doing to your skin. You can just tell with your hands. Call that the hand test. So in here we've got cold pressed coconut oil. There is cacao butter. I really love my cacao butter in there. There's some shea butter in there. We've got a little argan oil. We've got some jojoba and some sweet, did I say sweet almond?
No.
Jojoba and argan. And then we have vanilla. So the essential oil in here is vanilla, and we have some vitamin E as well to preserve it. I'm not too concerned about preserving ours because both of us use this oil from head to toe every time we shower, which can be 1 or 2 times a day. So it doesn't last here very long. That's why I'm making a big batch, and I'm making some for his mum as well, because she likes to use it from head to toe. That's why we all got soft skin. So I think, oh, and then the last thing we did was because, you know, why not get the chocolates going? So, got a tray of chocolates here. Don't look that great right now, but pop it out. Check it out. So I just made some of those while I was in here. I had the chocolate melting, and we've got walnuts and cranberries in these. I just couldn't be bothered to do my toasted coconut tonight, to be honest. I had just enough on. And so I think, and one last thing. I've been eating ice creams recently. And as a kid, I loved cornettos. So if you're in England, you know cornettos. I don't know what you guys call it. Some big cone or something. But you know the sugar cone with the chocolate inside? So, got some chocolate melted. I did have some cones. So now I've got me 3 cones ready to put some ice cream in when I want some. And I can have me my own cornetto, baby! I truly think that's it now. This is Shiv Chankar. This is Saturday night at the farm. It's almost midnight. And it's time for me to go to bed. I'd love to hear from you. Do you use aloe? Have you ever used aloe? Go ask at your store. Get yourself a big piece of aloe and start having some fun. I'm really looking forward to, let's check back in a week and see what my little face looks like. But I'm liking it so far. I'd love to hear from you. Leave your comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this. Toxic-free living, you know, without those chemicals, everything feels better, and that's what we call the Feel Better Life. Come over to thefeelbetterlife.com for more tips like this. I'll see you on the other side. Sat Nam.